How to use Best Buy gift card. In order to redeem Best Buy gift card online at bestbuy.com, you could do this during a checkout procedure. What you want to do is open the Best Buy app onto your device. Once you do it what next you want to do is, here, you simply want to start shopping. So you could go to shop or start adding item to your bag, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and select the item and start adding it to my bag. If I tap on add to cart, this is going to be added to the cart section, right? Once you've done this, you could go to the cart section at the very top of the page and you could scroll down and you could go to checkout. And over here during a checkout procedure, you could simply go ahead and get this page where you could go ahead and add in your redemption code, and that's how you're supposed to redeem it online or use your Best Buy gift card. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.